Cambridge is a great city and the university is really good for research especially, so postgraduate degree is really the thing to do here.
The project that was being proposed I absolutely fell in love with. So my decision to come to Cambridge was actually more based around the project than it was around the institution, but obviously being at Cambridge is an incredible thing, and to be honest, not something I thought I would get to be able to do.
There was various stages, so I applied for a doctoral training course, so they had their own application first, and then after that I had to do the online Cambridge application, the one that everyone applying for a postgraduate degree does.
I did contact the supervisor in advance to just have a conversation about the project, whether it was definitely something I was interested in, and just some advice around what they were looking for more specifically so that I could tailor my application in the best way that I could.
The first bit of advice that I'd have for someone that's applying for funding would be to make sure that you get your application in before the funding deadline, which sounds obvious, but actually it's easily overlooked, especially because the funding deadline isn't the same as the course deadline.
My advice to somebody applying to Cambridge for a postgraduate study is to keep on applying, even if the first opportunity doesn't go your way, apply again because you might get the next one. And also to research and look up potential labs that you'd like to join as well, because it really makes a difference if you contact people first.
In terms of people applying for graduate study and being a minority, it can sometimes be a challenge, or it can sometimes put you off. So I think making sure that it seems that Cambridge is accessible for everyone, that's really important for people to know.
If you're not sure, give it a go. It can seem like a scary and prestigious place, but it's not. It's really welcoming, it's really friendly, and it's really exciting.